But how should you introduce a debate surrounding the topic? Whilst there is no formula that will work for everything, but if you ask yourself these questions, you'll be off to a good start. What are the different perspectives? Who holds these perspectives? And then potentially, when did these perspectives and the debate between them originate? Pause the video and try to answer these questions as they relate to the debate surrounding school uniform. So hopefully you've done that. And here's an example of how you might introduce the debate in general before giving your own argument. As more and more companies encourage their employees to dress casually in the office, many students are asking themselves why they shouldn't be given the same freedom. But so far, there's been no widespread abolishment of school uniform, with calls for change being met by considerable resistance from parents and teachers alike, citing the dangers of allowing students what often becomes a competitive and distracting mode of self-expression.